Who's this?
Nancy.
Nancy.
What does she sound like?
Well, no, okay, Katie, that's not. This is Boogaloo.
And this is Tiger.
Boogaloo and I'm the toughest show.
I'm Tiger.
And this is Tiger.
As soon as he's got all set up here.
Tiger.
He's also got one of these stages with
Hi,
a...
my name's Tiger. I'm the first one. Oh, okay, give me a kiss. And then I've got, and then we've got, who's this? Green flag.
No, Skylar. It's
You
green.
know who this is. Sure. My name's Green Frog and I'm afraid of everything.
Puppy with the Puppet Show. And this
that?
I'll show you a little bit.
Grampy with the Puppet
This is, oh, this
Albert,
is
you want to
Jello.
be part of watching?
This is
Jello.
He does the hands though.
Hey, Grampy.
And this is
I have a
Spot.
star in my hand. Can I help you with the
Sure.
No.
And there, I'm Spots, and I'm from England, and I'm very cool. And that's him. What else we got in here?
Hey.
Oh, my favorite.
The horse.
Yeah, just a minute, you.
Yes.
Yeah, hold on. Patience, something that I know a lot about. I'm a very patient person. Oh, my.
You want chocolate?
Oh, chocolate.
Here's some chocolate.
Here.
Chocolate.
My name is Firefighter Tim, and I want a kiss. Stop!
Don't hit him. Don't hit.
You are Firefighter.
I'm Firefighter Tim.
You
When
have
she
a
was little,
sword.
and she would hear him say he wants chocolate. She, at that time, I used to know what chocolate was. She ran into the bedroom and got a piece of chocolate and fed it to him.
Oh
This is
no.
my
You
first.
remember doing
This
that?
is when I had my
Getting
first
chocolate
granddaughter,
instead of chocolate.
Tiger, and then
Save
Pell.
some room for the show.
Oh, come on. No.
Do you have anything to say to the camera?
I'll make sure John does not get the copy.
I'm Nancy.
No.
Nancy.
Oh, like ribbons.
Whoa, ribbons.
That's cool.
I'm Fancy Nancy. I'm Fancy Nancy. We're friends. We're friends only.
Oh, who's in my
Wait a
hair?
minute.
Who's in my hair? Oh, green frog. Green frog.
Yes.
Go away.
Oh, fun fight.
My grandson Cooper, he wanted me. He likes when he was doing puppets with him. He was in third grade or something, and he wanted me to bring him to school and pick him up. So I brought Firefighter Tim to school, and this is where school is out. And he was peeking in the windows, and then he wanted his teacher to meet him. So his teacher, I'm Firefighter Tim, and I didn't realize it because I was, I was stroking. I was stroking the teacher's arm like this. And I was just,
Dirty fire truck. Dirty train.
There he is.
So Firefighter Tim.
Say bye, firefighter.
Firefighter Tim has a restraining order.
Hello. Say bye.
All over again. More dirty train.
Bye.
There now.